Interesting. They're getting bold this time. Waving a fixed by dock flag. Hi, there's a drone attacking me, and a guy came over with an ape suit in front of my face, in front of my house, with my wife and kid. I got his license plate, and but the drone is still here. The drone is right there. It's following me. Hi. Calling me back because they ran the plates. They found they found the identity of the person who owns the truck. So what just happened, I'll summarize briefly. I had taken down my barricades and barriers. I had this secured like Fort Knox so that nobody could come through or look through. I had taken it all down, and I was hanging my new gates, and they did not know this. All right, person comes around here in a mobility scooter wearing an ape costume and flying the flag of a specific YouTube channel, who is the leader or very involved in all of this, and did not expect to see me or the gate gone. I believe they were going to drive up here in front of my cameras and either test my security or just mock me because, hey, ape costume, I don't know who it is, they're flying that flag. Same logo that's on the mailbox of the person peeping Ken. Anyway, so the person froze, visibly was shocked, and sat there like a deer in the headlights on the mobility scooter. Gave me plenty of time to get my camera going, and then I followed the person. I had time. I followed, and I realized I need my phone to call 911. Grabbed my phone, came back out, and still had time. Mobility scooters are slow. Went all the way out across town line to Oak Road, whatever Oak Road it is, where the person drove up into a trailer, an enclosed trailer, drove up the ramp into an enclosed trailer, and well, you see all that. Point is, they did not expect this to be open. They did not expect me to be here face to face. This time, we got them. We got a vehicle, we got a license plate, we got the trailer and the license plate. I'm not showing you that, but the police have it. That's enough. Also, the person ripped off the license plate in some way. It wasn't clear. I'll see it when I edit this video, and drove off, and I have that on video, which is a crime. I want them prosecuted. Finally, we have them. At the same time, there was a drone overhead, followed me around, so as the mobility scooter was coming, there was a drone overhead. Definitely a connection. The same banner as what's on the mailbox of Peeping Ken, all connected. Now I got to get a gate closed tonight because there is absolutely going to be a hornet's nest of fury if I don't close this up in time.